I found this sad little wicker tray at the Goodwill bins, and I thought we could turn it into something that we could use on our porch. This was a sign that I found off of a wreath that I got at a garage sale, and these were also two little wreaths that I found at a garage sale and picked them up. I started off by painting the wicker tray in just a white color spray paint. After spray painting it, I brought it inside and I began to lay out what I wanted my design to look like. I took my two little garage sale finds and laid them in the wicker basket. Then I needed to mark out where I wanted my holes to be. You could hot glue this into the tray and it would be just fine, but mine was going to be outside, and so I wanted to make sure that it was affixed to the wicker tray and that it would stay if the winds began to blow and things like that. So I am going to use some wire and wire my wreaths onto the tray. Here I'm just making marks where I want to use my drill and make my holes for the wire to go through. Next, I just took a drill bit and I just drilled a small hole through the very bottom of the wicker basket. If you don't have a drill, you could also use an X-Acto knife or something like that to make a hole. Once the holes had been drilled, all I had to do then was cut my floral wire. That's what I used. It was very lightweight and very easy to use. So I just cut that to affix the wreaths onto the wicker tray. You can pick up this floral wire anywhere, Hobby Lobby, Walmart. You can get it on Amazon. I'll leave a link below to some that would work. Now that the wire was through the wicker basket, I was ready to just tie it onto my wreath. I just simply put it on either side of my wreath and just twisted it to hold it in place. They're so lightweight that it was easy to make them stay. Next, I took my little hello sign that I got at a garage sale and I was gonna put it on the front just like this. And to do this, I just simply put hot glue on the back of it and glued it to specific little leaves on the wreath, and it held it fine because, again, the little sign was so very lightweight. And the last step was to simply turn it over and make myself a little hanger on the back. And what I did was I took my same wire and I ran it through the two pieces of wire that I had already put on the little tray. You'll see what I did here with that, just to make me a little hanger so I could hang it on my front porch. And there you have it, one easy thrift store flip. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.